been a few weeks, but got the Grizzly all back together, all kinds of maintenance done to it, slug kit installed. Put 18-gram weights in the primary. Seemed to hook up pretty good in the backyard, but I live in town, so can't really test it. Today's Saturday, the 25th of January. We finally got 3 straight days of snow. And it is actually pretty cool out right now. All kinds of snow on the trees. It's all by myself today. Everybody else is basically out plowing, honestly. But we're gonna go up to the woods and hour north yet. They got a little more snow, so we'll see how deep it gets in the woods, and hopefully I can get some good film by myself here today and see how these how this new clutch work will hook up. So stay tuned. Thanks. Got a little salt on the Grizz, but that's no big deal. I'll wash it off when I get home. But look at the fresh snowfall. Holy man, usually you can see right out into the field. That's some heavy stuff. Oh, just beautiful up here. Getting a little damp. looks like I'm stuck. We'll push her off. Okay, so just put a slug kit and 18 gram weights in the primary. I definitely feel it rev quicker, a little bit, maybe not. In the snow, you need more wheel speed than you know, thick clay like you get down south. So everything's working fine in my opinion. I don't see much of a difference. The engine was cutting out there right when I'd go from 0 throttle to full throttle just for a split second earlier, but in the last 10-15 minutes it hasn't done it, so I don't know what that was all about. But if it gets worse or does something bad, I'll have to fix it. But as far as right now, I'm just gonna not worry about it. But hopefully the slug kit and the lighter weights, I'll notice a difference come April 1st through the 5th. I'll be at the Badlands Off-Road Park in Attica, Indiana. I'm trying to get a group of people to go. Right now it's only 4 of us. Me and the fiance and my friend and his wife. So hopefully we can get some more people to come. And yeah, thanks for watching.